In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up employee onboarding processes on Monday.com. We'll walk through how to quickly create a structured onboarding board using a template, and then how to use different views to track where each new hire is in their journey, from the first day all the way to being fully onboarded. Start by opening Monday.com and heading to your main home area. Make sure you're logged into the workspace where you want to manage onboarding. From here, look towards the area where you can add a new board. You'll see an option that allows you to work with templates. Click the option that lets you start with a template instead of building a board from scratch. Using a template is much faster and ensures you don't miss any key stages. When the Template Center opens, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click into that search field and type in a relevant keyword like employee onboarding so you can quickly find the onboarding template provided by Monday.com. When the matching template appears in the results list, click on it to open the full details. On the template page, you'll see a description and a preview of how it works. Go ahead and click the button to use the template. Monday.com will now create a new onboarding board in your workspace based on that structure. Once the board is created, you'll see example items such as sample employees. Click on one of these, like Employee 1. This is just a placeholder row that represents a single new hire. You can later rename this to the real person's name, but for now it's useful to understand the structure. Across the board, you'll notice different status groups or columns labeled for each stage of onboarding, such as first day, first week, first month, and onboarded. Click on each of these to get familiar with the flow. These stages represent the typical life cycle of a new employee. As you complete tasks, you'll move each person from first day all the way through to onboarded, which signals they've completed the process. Next, look towards the top of the board where you can switch between different views. You'll see a form view. Click on Form. This form is a great way to collect new employee details or requests from managers. When someone fills it out, their responses create new items directly on this board, keeping everything consistent. Then, click on the Kanban view. Here, each employee appears as a card that you can drag and drop between stages like first day, first week, and so on. This is particularly helpful for visual teams that like a pipeline-style layout. You'll also have analytics-style views, such as new employees per department and number of employees in each step. Click on each of these to see charts that summarize how many people you're onboarding and where they are in the process. These views are useful for HR and managers to spot bottlenecks or overloaded departments. Finally, click back to the main table view. This is your central hub, where you'll add real employees, assign owners, set dates, and track every task. From here, you can customize columns, adjust labels, and fully tailor the onboarding process to match your organization's needs.